All right. Hurricane Matthew, one take number 9. And these may end up being uploaded a little bit out of order. Just as I was trying to get one take number 8 loaded up, the power went out again and it has not come back on. I'm recording this directly via the YouTube app on my cell phone, so we'll see what happens. I'm trying to upload the other one also. I don't know how this is all going to work out, but 8 and 9 may end up actually getting online in reverse order, but they'll be numbered correctly as far as the order of events during the day. So anyway, the wind has really picked up a little bit over the last hour. It is currently 3:30ish, and I'm going to spin the phone around here so you can see out our back door what's going on here. And somehow I managed to flip the camera lens around so I can't see exactly what it is I'm recording. I'm hoping I'm getting a good shot here. Now this is out our back door, which actually faces south. All right, let's take a look and see what's happening out the front window. All right. That was not a bird that just went by. Those are leaves being blown off the trees. Excuse my tummy rumbles. I haven't eaten today. I need to eat. Oh boy, I'm hearing trees popping, like breaking popping. All right, this is going to get really interesting over the next little bit. This is just a quick one take. The trees popping were not in my yard, thank goodness. Let's see if I can see anything out my back window here. The window's closed and all the wind, I can't really tell. I'm not seeing any broken trees, but if it's already fallen, then of course I wouldn't. All right, so that is it. I'm going to go ahead and call it for this one take. It's going to be interesting over the next several hours. This is just the beginning, and I'll try to post more as soon as I can. If you're in this with me, then please be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.